What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and one of a laptop's most important aspects is of course its portability. Since unlike desktop PCs, they're much easier to take with you whenever, wherever. The ASUS ZenBook UX325 exemplifies this aspect since it's not just thin and light, it's thin and light while still packing a lot of performance and features that allow you to boost your productivity whenever, wherever. Let's check it out. Now for a quick unboxing, we get the ZenBook 13 itself, of course. We also get the charging brick and a couple of accessories here. We get a USB-A to RJ45 Ethernet and a USB-C to 3.5mm audio port. Two things which ensure that I/O is completely covered. Now moving on to the device itself, it's a nice compact ultrabook that looks and feels very premium. From the spun metal finish on the outside to the classy looking keyboard and trackpad on the inside, and the overall thin profile, it's just elegant. Thanks to its amazing screen to body ratio, it's one of the most compact 13-inch notebooks out there, being only slightly bigger than a sheet of A4 paper. Checking out all the parts, starting with the screen, we get a 13.3-inch Full HD display. Thanks to the 4-sided nano edge design, we get that aforementioned high screen to body ratio of 88%. More screen and less bezels means you have a more immersive experience as well as more screen real estate for a smaller physical footprint. The bottom bezel, while slightly thicker than the others, sports a classy ASUS ZenBook logo, while the top bezel houses the laptop's webcam. Now checking out the adjacent face, we get a nice edge-to-edge keyboard that still manages to feel well spaced while still being compact. The keys themselves have decent travel and a nice tactile press. On the other hand, the trackpad is amazing as expected. It's nice and big, which is important for a laptop that's meant to be taken on the go. Of course, this also includes the ASUS Numberpad 2.0, which is always really cool to see. Just tap on the numpad icon on the upper right and boom, your keyboard is now complete. Having the laptop open shows one of the ZenBook 13's key features, the Ergo Lift Hinge. It utilizes the bottom portion of the lid panel to prop up the keyboard, resulting in a more ergonomic typing situation. Checking out the side, starting with the left, we get an HDMI port and two Thunderbolt 3 ports, as well as the battery LED. On the right side, you get a micro SD card slot and a USB Type-A port. The ZenBook 13 UX325 is powered by a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor with 8GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200MHz and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, which is a configuration that's plenty enough to keep you productive throughout the day and entertained for the rest of the night. For battery, we get 67 watt-hours of capacity, and thanks to this, the ZenBook 13 can last up to 22 hours. And when you do need a charge, the fast charge feature can get you up to 60% in just about 49 minutes. Overall, the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 is a solid ultrabook that provides you a bunch of productivity-focused features and performance in a nice, compact package. You get the powerful hardware configuration, the beautiful design, and some nice creature comforts like the number pad, the Ergo Lift Hinge, and the great almost bezel-less display. The ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 is priced at 54,995 pesos, which is a solid price for everything that you're getting. And that wraps it up for this video. What do you guys think about the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to see notice new feature uploads, and be sure to visit UGTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.